So this is an easy way to do in-ground worm farming. So this is about a 4-gallon pail. You could use a 5-gallon pail like this Rona pail if you want, and drill some holes in it and also the lid so you allow some moisture in, but not too much. And I've got about 1/2-inch holes drilled all the way around. Now I've found earthworms in here as well as red wigglers, so you can easily modify it to however you want to. Make sure you have the seal on it as well as the lid. You have to buy it as a set and it'll snap onto the top of the pail. So I'd like to show you what I've done. These are completed worm castings and they've been sitting in the pail for a while. I just harvested them, and you take your laundry hamper compost, and this one was started on September the 4th. It is now September the 21st. So I'm sitting here at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been less than 3 weeks. So it's finished cooking, it's past the high temperature point, so I can now feed it to the worms. So don't put fresh compost in here or the worms will be cooked because the compost will heat up. So anyhow, this will be nice for the worms. Add some water, not too much. Do the 2-drop squeeze test like this. If you get more than 2 drops, it's too moist. So I just want to warn you ahead of time. Don't have it too soggy and not too dry. So fill this up. You fill it, your pail up to about here and allow for some airflow. Okay, and I think you'll be good to go.